La la la. All right. Good morning. It is, what is today? February 5th, Friday. Happy Friday. It is Vlog 24. Oh my goodness. Two of my favorite numbers. It's a good day and it's a Friday. Wow. Um, yeah, what can I say? This has been a good week. Well, crazy week. I don't know. It's good, but a lot of emotions. Oh my God. I think I cried a lot this week. That's so crazy.
We're all crying this week.
We're all crying this week. Oh my goodness. But yeah, it's still cool here in Long Beach. Let's check out some weather. Let me find my weather cam. Weather cam. Boom. Oh, we still got messages in there. We're texting Greg this morning. He's trying to ship out some stuff. All right, there it goes again. There it is. Long Beach. Long Beach, 50. God, your guys' texts are messing me up. Oh, God. All right, your guys' texts are messing me up here. All right, we'll hold off on the weather until they stop texting because I keep getting these things. Ah. Info. Hide alerts. There we go. Stop. All right, I think I took care of it. Yes. All right, I figured that out really quick because I didn't know how to do that. Hide alerts for your text messages. The God, oh yeah. It's funny. I'm not a big texter. I just look at the notes and then I just do it. If I have to answer, I answer, but I usually don't. Um, but Carrie and all these guys are just fiends. I don't know. They just keep texting. It just never stops.
Can't figure out FedEx.
But anyways,
FedEx issues.
it's Friday. I'm excited. Happy. But let's see. Let's go. Let's see what happened yesterday. Yesterday I woke up at 8. That was cool. Actually, I woke up at 8 today too, but 8 o'clock seems to be a good time. Usually it's like 9, but 8 is good. Let's see. Actually, I did have a thought every Friday DIY ook reviews, but actually I'll just do the reviews as I go. I don't have to have a special day. I'll just actually, but we'll see. We'll see how I figure it out. But I'm going to be doing ook reviews also, and that's going to lead into some pretty cool stuff, I think. Let's see. Got a new. Oh yeah. Let's see. What do I do? Set up to do ook review, but having issues. Okay. Yesterday, woke up, did my vlog, and I. Oh yeah, I was still having the remnants of the bunny thing. That's what was happening. I whenever yesterday was a trip, I was still in shell shock because basically the bunny passed away the other day on Wednesday. Thursday, I was just trying to process all that information. It's weird how something like that just can affect you that crazy. But so I did my vlog. I was getting. Oh yeah, I did. I wanted to do my song really quick, so I did that in the morning also. So I did my 100-day song, "Take That Money and Run," which is fun. Actually, I love that song. It's weird in ukulele how because I remember doing that song before and I didn't like it, but then I got better and I did the song and a lot nicer. So, and I actually have fun doing it. It has a good beat, so it's kind of cool. That's my ukulele thing. If you just don't have a song, put it away. Come back to it later. I think you'll eventually get it if you keep on strumming. Um, let's see. So after that, I tried to do I was going to do an ook review, but Ecamm was messing up for some reason when I recorded it. It was like choppy. So I'll have to figure that out. I might have to do it with just my regular camera. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I owe Ahana a promo. I don't want to do it anymore. Let's see. I was hanging out on the computer, doing some organizing for my edits that are coming up soon, and I want to do them all really quick. And then we got our bed. Yeah. We got our bed. We got a new bed after 15 years. 15 years? Is that how long we've had the bed, Carrie?
Yes.
Wow. And actually, wow. What I learned today is that if you have an old bed, get a new one right away. I don't care we should have done it a long time ago. I don't know why we didn't do it. We just should have. That should have been number one on our list because I woke up this morning and I felt different. It was weird because I didn't have when I was getting out of bed and I was all sore. Carrie had actually hurt her back the other day before we got the new bed. So I think Greg was saying she slept on it one too many times and messed up her back. But last night I was chilling. It was good. Actually, it was weird. What a difference a good bed makes. So yeah, you guys get a good bed. That'll make a whole difference in your sleep. I think in your health. I will keep you updated on the bed. And maybe I'll do a review. It was a Zinus. It was a Zinus 12-inch something. Hybrid bed. Spring and whatever, but it's comfy. The cats like it. It's awesome. But anyways, yeah, that was our assignment for yesterday. So that took me a little while because we had to unwrap it, do the bed. And the worst part is I had to clean the bunny cage. Oh, so horrible. I think I was crying through the whole thing. But yeah. And then, oh yeah, I changed Erica's. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing before. I was changing Erica's. I did it a lot yesterday. It's been crazy. I changed Erica's strings. She got the new ukulele, so I put a Logi on there for her and some little upgraded strings. Oh, and my mic just went out. That sucks. I don't even know how long that was. All right, sorry about the mic thing. I think I was talking about, if you guys didn't hear it, is get a new bed. Get a new bed, and then it's awesome. Yeah, I feel good. Usually my shoulders are all messed up, and because I slept sideways, even sleeping sideways on the bed was comfy. I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, get a new bed. And then, damn, I wonder how long I was talking. Oh well, that's what you guys get, or that's what I get for not checking. And then I changed Erica's strings yesterday. Put a low G on that. I cannot wait till she gets that ukulele. It's gonna be awesome. Let's see if she can do the 100-day. What else did I do? And then I put learn good. Good bed makes a difference, and it does.
It's pretty today.
And it's pretty today. What do you got today, Carrie?
I have a Zoom call in a half an hour.
Zoom call in a half an hour. Let's see
Does
what
that mean I have to look presentable?
Not really, just from the top up.
From the
You can wear whatever on the underneath.
From the middle down, so I can wear no pants.
Yeah, no pants. If you don't get up, that's the only thing. Wait, I have to go get, and you're just hanging out. So funny. Yeah, I think nowadays is actually on my Zoom call the other day, the Ook Social. Hadley was going, I'm tired of the Zoom call because it was like cutting in and out. But I think people don't realize like sometimes that it's one of a couple things. Either their internet's slow or the device that they're working on is not, it cannot handle. Because until today, I think most of the technology is not geared towards video calls. It's still in its infancy, kind of. And so, like, it wasn't a big deal. So, like, all the old stuff is kind of still old. So, we'll probably still have issues with the Zoom calls as they go forward because there's a lot. Yeah, we have to update the technology. It'll take about a year till everybody's comfortable. Actually, now I see it like everybody's kind of getting really good at video calls. I'm like, that's pretty funny. They all know. They know how to use the Zoom. That is a very interesting thing. This whole time change, and actually, it forces people to know the technology. That's weird. I think because thinking back on my history, why I like tech is it's not because of the computers themselves. I think they're cool, but it's the things that you can do on them, and especially me, it was video games. Like, I think I remember when they first started coming out with like games that you could play with other people all across the world, and there's this one game that I had that was in the Air Force up north, and there was this one game that I had I just could not get off of it. I would play, like, I would work all day and then play that game all night, and I wouldn't get any sleep. It was kind of crazy. But it was cool. I thought it was cool. You were playing against people around the world, which is pretty amazing to me. And then now that's like so prevalent, but it wasn't the computer, it was the game that forced me, like, I want to get better internet. And at the time it was all dial up. 56K 100, oh my god, it would make that noise, and you have to connect to the phone and all that other stuff. It was kind of crazy. Yeah, I think even at that time, most computer people would do it at night because they didn't want to tie up their phone line if they're doing internet stuff. That's so hilarious. Yeah, technology. No, it's kind of crazy because like it was video games that got me into computers, and like I had to know the computer so I can run the video game. So it was pretty gnarly. But nowadays everybody needs to know it because they need Zoom. They need Zoom to do everything now. Like the teachers have to like call. Like it's pretty gnarly. I can't imagine all the internet stuff yeah, wow, that's a lot of gigabytes going through the internet. But that's my soapbox for today. I'm still continuing. I didn't read last night, but I need to read. I need to make a thing, keep on reading every day, which I should. Actually, I do read every day, but I've been really busy, and I need to finish off with this book and then start studying it. My goal this year, one of my goals is to find, I don't know, something, a little exercise or be able to help explain how to do meditation, get healing qualities out of your instruments, especially the ukulele and the handpan, which it already does. So that's what I'm working on this year. Some of the things that I'm focusing on. Update on the 100 days. I'm on today is day 6, and I'm gonna do, it's Fleetwood Mac Friday, so I'm gonna do Gypsy. I love that song, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Fleetwood Mac Friday.
Fleetwood Mac Friday. I will do that today. I have to do my vlog. I'll probably do it after this, and then editing. What else we got today? Oh, I have to go to the store. I have a pan lesson.
Oh yeah.
People are driving for tuning. Actually, I got to call Dave. I want to see if he's going to be in the store. And then then I'll come back and have a chill Friday, but like a working Friday. Kind of crazy. And what else? I think that's it. I'm done for today. But it's a beautiful day. It's February 5th, Friday, 2021. The weekend is here. What are we doing this weekend?
Cold chillin'.
Oh, I
You have a ukulele.
have a ukulele thing, and I have to send out the Saturday Zoom call. I have to remind myself to do that. That needs to go out today. So I'm lagging on that. So got some stuff to do. Friday, February 5th, 2021, Vlog 23. And like always, every day, keep on. Let's see if it's in tune. Strumming ukulele. Yeah. See you Monday.